Happy Saturday! Join me in this artsy, crafty, fun, and yummy weekend as we learn how to create different, creative, and meaningful projects. I am Teacher Alex and this is Teacher Vibal Weekend Special, where we will engage in experiments, explore do-it-yourself activities, and many more. After months of being compelled to stay at home, I'm sure we've all felt the urge to clean our house. But commercially made cleaners are quite expensive, right? Worry not, because for today's episode, I will give you tips and tricks to clean your house using alternative cleaners that you can easily find inside your house. Do you have annoying stuck on food inside your oven? Here's what you can do. A simple baking soda solution can work for your entire oven, removing stuck on gum from the surface as well as burned on bits from the interior. To do this, we just need baking soda, water, bowl, non-scratching sponge or hard-edged spatula, and we are ready to start cleaning.
First, make a paste. Pour baking soda into a bowl and add water until it forms a paste. Make sure your paste is proportionate to the area that you will be cleaning. Second, apply the solution. Rub the baking soda paste onto all areas and surfaces that need to be cleaned. Third, wait for the solution to set. Allow the solution to set overnight. Lastly, loosen and remove the stuck-on material.
If you think you need specialized cleaners in cleaning your floors, think again. You can ditch those costly cleaners and still get sparkly clean sealed wood floors or any non-porous tile, such as porcelain with just vinegar and water. Wanna try it? For our DIY floor cleaner, we will be needing white vinegar, water, a sprayer, a mop, or simply a bucket and cloth. Ready to get started? Let's go!
For our first step, we are going to mix our solution. Combine approximately 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 gallon of warm water. Take note, we just need warm water, not hot water. You may also add a drop or two of essential oil if you like. Once you are done, you may now start spraying and wiping your floors. If you have a spray mop, simply fill the reservoir with your DIY solutions. But be careful not to oversaturate wood floors. If you are using a cloth, make sure to wring it out each time you dip it in the water. You may also wipe the floor with a clean, dry cloth after.
Do you have a toddler at home? Do they like drawing on walls? Marks on walls can be a challenge to remove, isn't it? If that's your problem, then you need to learn our next cleaning hack. To clean ink, crayons, or marker spots on your walls and painted surfaces, you just need baking soda and a sponge.
Simply apply baking soda to a damp sponge. Rub it gently on the marks. Then, wipe and rinse.
We've already tackled how to clean the ovens, the floors, and the walls. Now let me share with you a cleaning solution you can use for your toilet bowls. For our DIY toilet bowl cleaner, we need 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of vinegar. Now, let's get started.
Simply mix 1/4 cup baking soda and 1 cup vinegar in a basin and let it set for a few minutes. Once your mixture sets, you may now start cleaning your toilet bowl. Simply scrub and rinse.
be tiresome, but it sure is satisfying. How about you? Do you have your own cleaning tips and hacks? We'd love to know them. Share them in the comment section below. And that's it for today. I hope my tips and hacks help you in keeping your home sparkly clean all the time. Again, I am Teacher Alex, and see you again next week for more fun DIY videos here in Teacher Vibal Weekend Special.